Hi Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this really cute birthday card so that it opens up to the right hand side and then your full card opens up to reveal even more messages if you want to stamp some extra birthday greetings on the inside. But it's such a fun, cute little birthday card. I made these for a few people for their March birthdays this month, and I thought I would just go ahead and make a video to show you how I did that. And then also we filmed this one live yesterday. If you want to check out this one, it's the exact same card, but it just goes horizontal. So you can see this here. So it opens up this way and then opens up towards the bottom. Same card, same layout. It's just I turned it to go horizontal instead of vertical. But we're going to make this one today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and start with the measurements. I'm going to use a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 5.5 by 10. And you're going to score one end at 8.5. We're going to fold that together. So let me give you all the layers here. We got a piece of basic black. This piece is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then I'm using the How Sweet It Is designer paper. Isn't this fun? And this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to layer onto the basic black. And then your panel over here, which is the 1.5 inch score line or the 8.5 inch score line. This piece of basic black is cut at 1 3/8 by 5 3/8. And then another piece of the designer paper, How Sweet It Is. This piece is cut at 1 1/4 by 5 1/4. Then we're going to use two pieces of Whisper White, and these are both cut at 3 by 3.5. And then two pieces of the basic black, which is cut at 3 1/8 by 3 5/8. All right, so let's go ahead and fold our base to our card first. So I went ahead and scored this at 8.5 on one end, so you're going to fold that. Let me get my bone folder. And then all you're going to do is you're going to fold this end into that score line, right to that edge, so it should line up perfectly. I'm thinking you could probably score this at 4 1/4, but I just like folding it into the score line because then you get a perfect alignment, okay? All right, now let's go ahead and do some stamping. We're going to use the Memento ink, and these are the two stamp sets I'm using. This one is called the Birthday Cheer, and we're using the Time for a Spectacular Celebration, and then I'm also adding It's All About You. And then for the inside, or the first flap open, I'm going to be using with extra sprinkles on top. And this is from the More Than Words stamp set, which is currently available on the Celebration Coordination promotion. And the stamp set's listed right here. Such an awesome stamp set. I love it. And then also just to let you know that there's another third release of celebration items. I have the flyer link on my blog as well as listed down below this video if you want to check that out. But these are the newly added items for the third release for the last month of celebration, which is March 1st through March 31st. So don't forget to check those out. Okay, so I went ahead and also stamped the hat. And that was also from the Birthday Cheer right here. And I went ahead and cut that out. And I've already colored that with the Stampin' Blends, and I'll give you those colors that I used for that. All right, so on my little panels here, on my two Whisper White panels, I'm going to stamp the greetings, and I'm going to use the basic black just to kind of put that behind there so I can see exactly where I'm stamping. Okay, so it's time for a spectacular celebration. I'm going to stamp this towards the top part of my little layer here because my party hat's going to go down here. So I'm going to stamp this right about there. And then we're going to stamp It's All About You. This is going to go over here to the left-hand side underneath that main greeting. Hopefully I can line this up. Looks pretty good. And then we're going to use this greeting for the inside flap. And it's with extra sprinkles on top. That's from that More Than Words stamp set. Love it. Just going to stamp that in the center. So cute. So now we're done with the stamping. So let me give you the colors that I used for the Stampin' Blends. Okay, so I used the Bermuda Bay Light, the Pool Party Dark, the Flirty Flamingo Light, Highland Heather Light, Daffodil Dark, and then the Granny Apple Green and the Light. So those were the colors that I used for my party hat here. Isn't it cute? All right, so let's go ahead and build our card now. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put all our layers together. Oh, this would be fun too on this side. Wouldn't it be fun? Oh my gosh, I love that side too. Okay, so now we're going to take our base. Now I'm going to have this 1.5 inch side open up to the right hand side. So we're going to put our panel over here. And then this piece is going to go on the main part of the card over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add those. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to add the inside part of the greeting first to the inside. Well, it's not actually to the inside, but it's the first flap over right here. So we're going to go ahead and put adhesive on the back side of that. And I'm going to fold my flap, and I'm just going to kind of get an idea of where I want to put this. I think I'm going to put this right about here. And then this one is going to sit right over top of that. But I'm only going to put adhesive on the one right side to stick to the flap. So we're just going to go ahead and close the card. And we're going to line this up to cover that underneath little section there. So you never know that it's there until you lift it up. Isn't that awesome? All right, and we're going to pop this party hat up over here. So cute. So we're going to grab some dimensionals. I'm going to see how I'm going to position this. I don't want no dimensionals showing. Okay, so right about there. So I can cover the whole party hat. Position this right over here, just like that. Oh, I love it. So now we're going to add some clear rhinestones. I'm going to put some on the inside as well. So cute. All right, then you can add glitter. I'm going to add some Wink of Stella to my party hat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So cute. So I needed a lot of birthday cards this month, so I thought I would make this one to show you the ones that I'm sending out for the month of March to a few people. And then, of course, you can stamp a couple greetings on the inside as well for the birthday celebration. Isn't that cute? All right, so let me show you the other one. We filmed this one live yesterday in the glitter pit, and it's, instead of going vertical, it's going horizontal, this one. Isn't it cute? So it opens up like this. Adorable. So you can check out that video. That link's down below in the description box. And then if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.